Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, and this is day 3 of this epic install in Bastrop, Texas. Transforming this backyard into an amazing, self-sufficient food forest, vineyard, medicine circle, desert cantina, and a food forest all rolled into one. This space is going to be so beautiful. The vineyard can produce 200 to 300 bottles of wine per year once the vines mature. But I'm going to turn you around. We have the crew working again. We have a lot of stuff being delivered to finish this, but here we're going to turn you around and you can see where we're at. Here we go. We got some stone being dropped off here, and all that soil. We are sheet mulching the rest of the vineyard, and then they're going to plant the rest of the vines, and then working on the medicine circle all the way on the other side.
Where Chad's food's at?
By 3 o'clock this afternoon, we should be near complete, or as near complete as we can be. Shooting wraps up today at 3 o'clock, so we are going to put on a pretty face for the TV cameras, and then we will button up things that need to be finished up. But it's a lot of work, but the reward is even sweeter. Food forests everywhere, people. Contact me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com if you would like to design a food forest in your space. Have a great day.